In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Teams at Mentions, a fantastic feature that helps streamline communication in your virtual workplace. Whether you're a seasoned Teams user or just beginning to explore its capabilities, at Mentions can significantly enhance your interactions by ensuring you reach the right people at the right time. First, let's start by signing into Microsoft Teams. It might seem like an obvious step, but it's essential because it's the gateway to unlocking all the functionalities Teams has to offer, including at Mentions. To do this, head over to the Teams website or use the desktop application. Click on the Sign In button and enter your work email and password. If you're using Teams in a corporate setting, your organization may have already set you up with an account, so make sure you have your login details ready. If you run into any issues signing in, reach out to your IT support team for help. Once you're successfully logged in and ready to communicate, let's dive into the main topic, at Mentions. This feature allows you to tag specific team members in your messages, ensuring they get a notification and can respond promptly. It's like tapping someone on the shoulder in a physical meeting to get their attention. To use at Mentions, navigate to the chat or team channel where you want to send your message. Once you're in the message box, position your cursor and type the @ symbol, which is Shift and the number 2 key on most keyboards. Immediately after typing the @ symbol, start typing the name of the person you want to mention. Teams will display a list of team members that match what you're typing. Select the correct person from the list, and once you've done that, their name will appear highlighted in your message. When you send the message, the person you've mentioned will receive a notification letting them know they've been specifically addressed. This is especially helpful in group conversations where important information might otherwise get lost. It's also a great way to grab someone's attention quickly, and especially if they're working on different projects or in different time zones. One of the best things about it Mentions is that they're not just limited to individuals. You can also mention entire teams or channels. To do this, just type it followed by the team or channel name. This feature is incredibly useful when you need to make an announcement or ask a question that requires input from everyone in a particular group. To wrap things up, using at Mentions in Microsoft Teams is a simple yet effective way to improve your communication. It ensures your messages reach their intended recipients and helps you collaborate more efficiently. So go ahead and give it a try in your next Teams conversation. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide both helpful and informative. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.